This tutorial will show you how to add variation to the product. Let's see, we already have a variable product here, but here you can see that's empty here. You cannot change the color, size, or whatever. Now, let's come back to our product page. So we put here variable product catalog. The name is a variable product color test. We have image here. And we put a category here, clothing, and show the description as D and description D. And now we come to first, we need to come to the attribute. Let's see, we have so many attributes. Bottom, color, image, etc. Let's try color first. Color, okay. So we have so many attributes here, black, blue, green, everything, okay. We can add 2 first, 3, okay. And now we come back to variation. So we have a color. See any color, 3 color, okay. And then we add price and stock quantity, enable, okay. And now let's submit. Okay, now let's come back to here. What will happen? Now we have 3 colors here. So you can choose, suppose this product is a shoe or clothes or whatever. So you can change the color. Okay. See, this is have 3 colors. Suppose they have a product have more colors. Now let's see. So we come to here again, come back to attribute, color. So we add all of them, all the color we have. Okay. Now we come to the variation. Okay, any color, so you can see so many colors. And then submit. Now we come back to product page. See, we have so many colors to choose. And the next question is, customer not only choose the color, they also choose size. So let's come back to here. Okay, same product. Come back to attribute. So we have a size. So you can see all of the size name. Okay, and then come back to variation. So we have any size, any color. Submit. And now we come back to product page. Okay, we have a color, we have a size. Let's choose green and the extra large. Okay, and then we put add a card. View the card. See, now we need the product like green, X large. Okay. So in order to do this, suppose we have some attribute here, not enough. So we can add here attribute. Okay. We put a attribute name, suppose color 2. Okay. And then we separate like a color red, separate with this one. Okay. Blue, green. Green. Okay. So we call this a color 2. And now we come back to variation. Okay. Before do that, we need to enable this tool. Only leave this active. So come back to variation. We only have any color, this. So this color is red, blue, green. Okay, let's submit. Okay. Now let's come back to the product page. See, only like this, red, blue, green. So you can choose here, you can choose this. Okay. Because this one is a button, we assign this a button. That's why this look like this. If you put a color, that's like before. Okay. And another thing we need to mention is in order to do this, and we can also assign at the beginning from the product page, from the dashboard product attribute. And then you can see we can set different attribute like the color. And then we need to input the configure terms. And at the same time, so when we click this, you can see. So we put the image here, color. So that's why when we choose later, we can get a picture. Okay, otherwise you cannot get a picture. Okay, that's all for today for the variation products. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.